Kami nakatira sa BGC. Ayan, sa BGC, ayun yung ating ano. Tapos, ayun yung Narnia. So, hindi pa natin siya napupuntahan. Puntahan natin. Tara, let's go!
Guys, we are now in Singapore. No, we're in Thailand. No, we're back in the Philippines, guys.
Punta kami Narnia. Tagal-tagal na namin dito. Ngayon pa lang kami pupunta sa Narnia. Sana talaga totoong Narnia yun. Kasi dati, naghahanap ako ng pwedeng bilan ng mga turo-turo, like yung mga kakain sa, like Thailand, that everywhere you can go, just buy anything on there, di ba? There's a Thailand, you can buy only the street. So, dito, in BGC, wala. So, there's a saying, there's, sa one place is called Narnia. So, we will try it ngayon. Hopefully, there's a balut over there. Balut! So, let's go! Ate, yung Narnia, dyan ba yon?
Yung ano po?
Narnia?
Narnia?
Yung tawag nila yung ano, yung bilihan ng mga kung anik-anik, mga murang pagkain, gano'n.
Ay, ito ma'am.
Hindi.
Ano?
O yung Skinita?
Opo.
Ayan yan.
Papasok po kayo dyan.
Ah.
Encantadia yung tawag.
Ay, Narnia pala, Encantadia pala. Mali pala ako.
Ayan po. Yung may ilan.
Ito, totoo.
Share nyo lang po yan. Marami po yan.
Thank you. Ano pala? Encantadia. Hindi pala Narnia. Encantadia pala. Okay, let's go. Encantadia. Are you ready to go to Encantadia?
Where's that at?
Ala, nakikita ko na agad yung balot. I see already the balot. Ano? You know what? Nagpapadeliver pa ako ng order pa ako ng Grab para sa balot. Pero may balot naman pala rito. Ayun. Ah, balot! Gusto mo lugaw, baby? Ha? Lugaw, here. Yeah, we are living over there, oh. Ah, there's a mommy. Kala ko lugaw. And have barbecue also. Gusto mo barbecue? You want to see over there too? Yeah. We're living there, guys. Tapos we are here in Encantadia, not Narnia. Yan, mani, coco juice, tapos may tindahan dito. I think yung iba close na kasi medyo sarado na. I don't know what is in there. Siomai. His first time to came here. Oh, dito. Ano to? Ulam-ulam. Ah, wala na. Oh, masarap to. Baby, ah. Oh, dinuguan. Sarap to. Ano to? Giniling. Oh, sarap. Tapos munggo. You want to try to eat here?
I want to look at something. I'll
Okay.
get some over here. There it is. Different places. Dito. And then somewhere.
Dinuguan to ta, ate? Ha? Magkano? Ha? Isa po. Ah, saka munggo. Ah,
Ano yun? Adobo?
hindi. Dinuguan. Wala kayong adobo, no?
Wala.
Ito lang sa kanila, oh.
Sabaw?
Ano to? Ninudo? Ah, kaldereta pala. Walang gulay, no? Ah, ubos na. Kasi alas 8 na. Kaya ubos na. 120. Thank you. Saan? I think that one is siomai. I think that's it because the other one is closest already. Oh, there's pa. Meron pa pala. Yan, siomai. That one is barbecue. Ayun no, noodles with the soup.
I'll try some with yours.
Okay. Okay. And perfect with the egg.
Oh, talaga?
Uh-uh.
Is that regular eggs?
Yeah, that's a regular egg.
I'll try some of yours, baby.
Okay. And,
You wanna eat dito o sa bahay?
sa bahay, dito na.
Maraming salamat, kuya.
Salamat din.
Okay.
Tikman niya muna, kuya. So, kahit na init. Ano? What taste? Aray. Sarap naman. Ganyan. Grabe yung ano niya. Yung taba-taba. Ay, yung beef niya.
Thank you.
This one is 65 pesos only. Dito.
Kuya. Kuya.
Masarap.
How much ate?
120.
120.
I just give.
Thank you, kuya. You ready? You wanna eat the rest of the bahay? Sige na, baby.
Yeah, masarap. Oh, balot.
Balot, okay.
Magkano?
25 is
That. Tapos magkano sa mani?
25.
Para 100. Dag. 100. Ikaw. So, ayan na nga mga mi, galing tayo sa Encantadia. What you cannot say, my love?
It was nice. I like it. Got 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
And they got some good food. People are cool,
Yeah, but
laid back. It's like the whole underground, right in the middle, right behind the luxury hotel. There's the whole underground Philippines. So
that's why it's called Encantadia. Encantadia's like the when you're going to the what do you call this? Like Disney World, like
yeah.
that.
It's like a whole underground Philippines over there. So the
Yeah.
Filipino connection is back there, guys. But you would never know it's there.
Actually, his
Hidden.
first time to go there.
Yeah, I've been here for a year and I never been there. So
So, ayun. Nagustuhan naman daw niya yung mami. Yun lang. Bye! Ang tanga-tanga.
exactly, guys. Talaga.
Ang tanga-tanga.
Tanga siya.
I forgot the balloon!
She go all the way over there. We go do all this walking around, and my leg is hurting. I'm limping, guys. Guess what G does? This is what my baby girl does. My baby love.
my
She
balut.
goes over there, guys, and leaves the balut on the table. She went over there for a balut, bought like 3 balut or 4 balut,
3.
3.
1 mani.
and then went over there and left it. What is that?
Tanga.
Tanga ako, ikaw.
Tara na.
Tanga ka.
Balut. Alam ko. I'm tanga.
Oh, talaga. Lagi.
Hindi. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Ang kinis na mukha ko,
Well, at
guys.
least you're cute, so I forgive you because you're cute.
Let's go. Tanga. Ang babae, ang e-abab, tanga. Ang e-abab nyo, tanga. Sino tanga? Sino tanga?
girl. My baby loves that.
So, babalik kami doon. Ay, naku. Kumakain na ako ng
Baby love.
dinuguan eh. Tapos, nung hinahanap ko na, wala. So, ayan. Napagod ng mga person. Nag-isip bata na naman kami!
Ano ba nga an app dito?
Ha?
Ano ba nga an app for scooter?
Erwil?
Oh, okay. Put it
Yes.
on my phone and so that make my scooter faster.
To make it fast? Ayun yung Narnia. Yan, hayan. Narnia. Pasok na tayo. Narnia. Ate, nakuha ko ba yung binili ko kanina?
Ate, para may naiwan ka.
Ito pala. Ayan. Oo.
Oh, ito nga, ito ba ito?
Oh, talaga. Oh, maraming salamat kuya.
Sabi ko sa iyo, may naiwan, babalik yun.
Thank you, kuya. Oo, kasi ito talaga yung pinuntahan ko dito. Thank you po.
Okay?
Oo. Salamat. Hey, nakuha ko na yung balot. Yung balot talaga yun eh. Yung balot talaga, yung balot. Thank you, bebe.
Walang problema.
We're going back there to get my balloon. So guys, if you want this, just check the yellow basket.
Oh yeah, check out this scooter, guys.
Oh, we're ready.
Ha! Yeah, yellow basket. These scooters are amazing. You guys gotta try and check out these scooters. These scooters are off the chain. Look at the yellow basket. You know what I'm saying? Yo.